guys? Tell2K Clan here. It's been a minute since we recorded. When those guys record Shotgun Farmers by themselves, I was in California at that time, and I didn't have the time to play with them. So, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll put everybody's channels link in the description. And yeah, it's my first time playing Shotgun Farmers, and let's get straight into the game. Lego.
You guys aren't in yet. Jake's on my team.
Where's Isaac?
I am on your team.
Hey.
Okay, well, hey, alright, bet, come on, let's do this. We're in team deathmatch, by the way, so get kills. Alright, Jake, by the way, if you want to run faster, hold out your pickaxe. It makes you run faster. That's just a little tip.
Sorry, I was
My
texting my
sensitivity is very high.
horny wife. Bitch.
I killed one! Yo, let's go!
Good shit.
A little
Oh,
high.
you can't reload, by the way.
Oh yeah, you can't reload, so don't try that.
Come here, bitch!
Good
Oh,
shit.
nice one.
Oh my god, a tomato launcher! Yo! What is this game?
Knocked
What
his ass
happened?
out.
You knocked him out? That's why I literally
Where is
did it.
everyone, bro? Oh, this sensitivity is high.
Come here!
Yeah, my
Give me them
sensitivity is
toes!
really high too.
Two faggots!
That's so much better. I put it down to 28. It's a little low, but it's better than
killed myself.
Fuck your daddy, motherfucker.
a little too low. It's like 30.
What is this?
Fuck.
You guys are hateful.
How?
Ow.
I don't know. You guys are just
Put me
hateful.
in off now.
Die, bitch! 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 I just fucking bopped him in the brain.
Where the fuck? Oh, there he is. Bitch.
Johnny!
Oh
I
my
died.
god,
You
you fucking whore.
motherfucker!
Fuck you, motherfucking
You
dead
killed my
motherfucker.
cousin!
Jake, get his ass. Get his ass, Jake. Let's go.
Oh wait, no, that's just a crop drop.
Jesus, they like men.
Yo,
Like
I got
dick
the
to ass.
M6 bean.
I'm a fucker.
Fuck away from me. Fucker.
Bitch ass.
Oh my god.
Yo,
this
we're
is fun.
kicking their ass. These guys are
They don't
shit.
want me
Look
to
at
see his
this.
tits, bruh.
Crop trop. What is that?
Oh, it's
This is
like
supply drop.
yes, they just supply drop.
Now that's a supply drop.
If you get the double barrel shotgun, Jake, it's literally the best gun in the game.
Jake got a AK-47.
I got a sniper.
Oh, then I'll take the AK. Yo, I've never seen a AK-47. Holy shit, this gun is sick.
Oh!
Oh my god. I like the pun, by the way. Hey, K.
Real white.
Okay, this gun is
I
shit.
hit my
Never mind. No, I dropped my AK.
Hard shotgun, yes.
Die, you jinx, motherfucker.
Got him. Put my finger up his ass.
Flamethrower! Yo, this is fucking lit, dude.
Bro, I'm about to die. I forgot you don't naturally regen.
20 HP.
I need to find heals. What's the blueberry milk?
I'm going to try hard in this bitch.
Yeah, that's what me and Tommy
Killed
called it.
him.
We call
I bopped him.
I think it's called a blue milk jug. I mean, I
Oh
just call it
shit, I'll
blueberry
take
milk.
that. I don't know what this is.
Cow.
Blueberry
Smack
milk.
It's bean.
Oh,
you. Milk. At this moment, my dumbass knew I fucked up. Let me drink this sucker.
Come here, you
Oh,
motherfucker.
I'm on fire. Ah!
this guy got the carrot launcher.
I'm down, by the way. Alright, I'm back.
Oh my god, die, 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 you motherfucker.
I just saw that.
See that shit.
So all of us are using shovels and baseball bat to kill people.
I'm about to die.
Die if you're gay, Johnny.
Fuck you,
Kobe! I just killed both their ass with that shit. Oh, here's another. Alright, I'm gonna
Take a shot, you jinx motherfucker. Can I hit one shot? Oh my god. Fuck, you're dead. I'll suck my dick. I can put it in your ass, you motherfucker.
Oh, headshot, boy.
It's not no scoped, but snipe.
We're fucking killing him right now.
Oh my god, fucking motherfucking dead.
Oh, I just killed all three of them.
Hopefully,
Oh my god, you have a triple
I hope his
kill?
mother gets cancer.
Sorry,
Just a
bitch.
crop drop.
Oh my god, you jinx motherfucker. I'm gonna cuss very badly.
Oh shit, he burned me alive, you motherfucker.
Fuck this shit!
Yo,
Come here so I can whip your
I'm
ass,
invisible.
bitch.
Better
what's
get
up?
over there. Only a minute
God,
left.
motherfucker.
I'm gonna know. You've
Oh,
been
motherfucker.
known.
Get your ass over here, motherfucker. Oh, fuck you. I thought I was a little too confident with that guy. I'm gonna suck his.
Whoa.
Nick, shut up.
You only got 30 seconds.
Nah, nah,
left.
nah, nah.
I'm gonna suck and die.
Watermelon G, yo.
Alright, you fuck on me. I honestly hope his mother dies.
Oh, fuck your mama and me. Oh, bitch, you and you bitching bitch.
What? And put it in your ass.
Wow.
Yo.
Victory!
Exactly, you
Hey,
pussy ass
First win
bitch.
is a dub.
Yeah, ho. Oceanside or West Side? Which map?
What's up?
Oh, west side.
I like West Side a lot. Oceanside's sick though. I like the volcano in it. Why aren't the other guys voting?
Just add Tupac into the picture and go and just put it West Side.
Oh, I'm getting in those hoes.
Alright, come on, let's
Deathmatch.
get this epic W victory royale.
Fuck, where's Isaac?
Shit, Isaac ain't on. Oh, you need to join yet. There you go.
He's in our team.
Isaac, your character
Ooh,
looks so
stop.
mental.
Oh shit, this is
What
fucking.
the hell is? Jesus,
Yo,
Isaac.
yo, Isaac.
Bro, I have hoes. It's not my fault.
Yeah, okay. I
Yeah.
guarantee you're using that sound.
You got a girlfriine, dog.
No, just because
So
that's your.
I
If
ha-
that was
yeah,
your answer,
I have a girlfriend, but like I'm cheating. No, I'm saying.
Isaac likes hairy, tiny dwarf men.
Black shit.
Ooh, let me see that bow. Straw bow. Oh, I don't know how you say that fucking shit, but
Strawberry.
Is this
I got
calculator
the-
big?
I got the P-Volver.
Oh,
to
fucker.
Got his ass dead, bitch.
Shut the fuck up, Jake.
didn't even say that.
Oh,
Oh shit!
holy
He
shit.
has a carrot launcher.
Carrot launchers are the best, bro. Honestly. Oh,
Headshot
let's
him.
go. Yo, Jake,
Fuck
follow.
the ball.
Jake, where you at? Jake, where you at? I want to show Jake what the purple cows do. Yo, Jake.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Jake, right behind you.
I know. Last game they had that, and I was using it.
Bro, the
Come
Molotovs
over
are
here,
the best.
motherfucker.
You're invincible.
Jinx.
Yo, where is everyone at?
Oh, you even hit
Holy
the
shit.
horse too?
The horse just killed me.
The giant.
Find out why horses don't like guns. I just got an achievement.
The crop drop is here.
How much?
I don't even know, like 15. I don't even know how much.
Headshot.
30 or 15.
Where's that drop?
I'm gonna hit a cow just because it's holding that. Shut up.
Oh!
Get out,
What a
Melissa.
bitch!
Oh no.
How do you get the... Well, a horse killed you?
Yeah, horse.
It's not killing me.
I shot the horse. I hit it on its ass with the shovel, that's why.
Oh, it's just not killing me. It was 5. I mean, still, I want to say that's a horse.
No!
Oh, I just stole this guy's loot. You're dead. You're wrecked. You're wrecked. You're wrecked. Grenado launcher. I got it. Oh my god, no. Give me the shotgun. Let's go. No, I'm gonna die. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. No, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Let's go. I survived on 5 HP. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got
They're
the
beating me down.
I got the double
Got a double.
cob.
Got a fat car.
Hey, yo, chill.
Nigga, am I lying? Yes.
Yes. Guys, help me. I'm gonna die.
Got him.
Get the fuck over here, you motherfucker.
I found that's it.
Fuck your dad, stupid horse.
Melissa, can you get out?
Got him.
Get out of your own
Oh,
room.
that's how you play.
Idiotic.
No! Come on, we can kill him.
Let's go. Alright, I'm about to kill some guys with my double cob.
You're double.
Shut up. Melissa,
Shut the fuck
Please.
up, Jake.
You like men, Isaac.
I know.
where the hell did you come from? No, who do you think you are to hit me and then just run away?
Like a bitch.
No, like a horse.
Coming.
Oh, fuck yeah, boy.
Well, let's kick some arse.
Everybody's fucked now.
Got him. I got 2 shots left. Oh, who's gonna die? Who's gonna drop dead on the mic right now?
God. Oh, give me that sniper! Now you're
Nice.
tripled fucked now.
There's another
What the
crop
fuck?
drop up here if any guys want it. About a minute left. There's one of them.
Oh, I know scope.
You're free.
Come here.
Bro, where are these guys at?
I don't know. Die, there we go.
30 seconds left.
Okay.
30 seconds left for fucking man. What? Just for that, Isaac,
I'm gonna rape you, Jake.
Pause.
Jake, I hope you know you're getting raped by me.
Hey, yo.
97%.
Kick his ass. Where did he go? Where did his ass go?
Jump him.
No, he was right here. You little worm.
We won. Let's do one more game.
You're
You're a weirdo.
I have Sloth, Eliminator, and Jake on my team. Sloth, Eliminator, Sloth, Eliminator.
Let's go.
Let's go. How do you crouch again? Oh, it's left stick.
Left stick, left.
Yo, what the hell? You're kinda gay.
I have 2.
Hey, you
Dude,
say
that's
gay
kinda
shit too.
I have a right one and a left one.
Die.
Fuck
There
his
we go.
mother.
Aha.
Why
Get
can't
your
I
kill.
get out of this?
Whoa, is this the volcano? That's cool.
That's where you're at. I'm just was there. Yo, let's go to this hawk.
Fuck your dead motherfucker.
Die, hawk.
Put my dick in your ass.
Jesus, Isaac.
Damn, Ice. You definitely like men, don't you, Squidward?
Yes.
Squidward. I hope SpongeBob comes and licks your testicles. Puts rat
I hope he rapes
balls
you.
in your face. Yeah, that too.
Yo, you guys are gay.
Hope SpongeBob kills you, you fucker.
Yo. Yo, you jinx.
You're gay.
What the fuck, up, Jake?
You wiener.
You're gay.
Imagine being a
Fuck my
wiener.
team.
Where the hell are these guys at? Why are they always like not up here sometimes?
I don't know, they like men.
Like you.
After.
No.
Yes, you do.
Oh!
Got him dead.
Monkey.
Carrot launcher, bet four
What is it?
rockets for the carrot
Chicken?
launcher.
Yeah.
Drop, drop,
Die if you like men.
Got his ass.
Oh no!
Hey, look what's in your future. I got his ass dead. Maybe the next one
Drop.
stick it up their ass.
You're gay.
Oh, just a carrot. There's nothing wrong with the carrots up your ass if you do it all.
Oh, I thought you said an ear.
Where the hell are they at? I hate when they pull this shit.
Fucking pussy.
Up hawk. Oh, you got him.
Oh, I thought that was my teammate and then my enemy. Fuck your mother. Who is that? Hold on, no.
That might be me.
Huh?
That probably blow you up.
You want
That was
something
me,
again?
but I mean, he didn't even kill him. We can't kill each other, so the guy killed you right as the rocket blew up. So
Jinx, old man. Shut the fuck
oh,
up,
what a
Jake.
jinx, old man!
What the fuck did I do to you?
I can't
Everything.
stand you.
I
Jump
just killed that jinx, old man.
Definitely like me.
I love you.
Hey, yo!
That
Nigga,
Jake,
I'm
you
not
dumbass.
joking.
That I love Jake, you idiot.
Yes.
I've never agreed so much, Isaac. Bro,
Shut the fuck up, Jake.
yeah, beat. You
Fuck, you
old.
said it all
To go eat.
Wait, you're gonna go eat ass?
I wish.
Pineapple nade?
Alright, Isaac's gonna go eat, so just gonna be me and Jake kicking ass.
Yeah, eating some pussy.
Shut the fuck up, you mean
Jake,
Jake?
that's never gonna happen for you. You lonely little gay boy.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
Crop drop again. Now the answer's a plane jump.
Holy shit, the guy's burning me alive with his popcorn.
I'm
Imagine
gonna go eat.
popcorning.
Alright, bye.
What?
Alright.
What? Alright. Oh no, guys, I just took damage. I'm dying. Oh my god, I just got that shield, which is the worst part. Kick your ass. Stupid queer. Stupid noob.
I have to go get the AK. Fuck! Just harvest a shotgun. You good? You good? You good? You good?
Yeah. Got both of them. Double killed. Ooh. Triple kill. Oh, not even. Oh, thank you for the carrot launcher. Give me that shit.
What color's a carrot?
I don't know. Probably like,
Watermelon LMG?
the watermelon G. Here, there's some more. There's more bullets for it right here. Or no, this is the M6 Bean.
Minute left to go.
Where did
Oh
you
shit.
find that? How?
I'll show you where you find it. I'm pretty sure I found it. Nice one. Oh shit. Beat his ass. Yo, it's over here. Spawn's like back over here. No.
In 6ix9ine.
The pop?
ass.
I think it spawns right here. Right back here. I've seen it.
You only got 30 seconds left.
30 seconds, let's make this count. Come on, let's kick some guy's ass. What's up? Ass kick.
Saw one of them.
Let's kick the guy's ass.
Someone was flying. What the fuck?
That was the guy I shot him with RPG. Are they?
Victory.
Oh,
I've been listening to 6ix9ine. I like Groova.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. It's been Tell2K Clan. And we're out. Peace!